Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll take a quick overview of the Eventful Pro plugin for WordPress and learn how to create beautiful event showcases using the Events Calendar plugin. Before we begin, make sure that the Events Calendar plugin is installed and activated on your website. Eventful works as an extension of the Events Calendar and lets you display your events in modern, flexible layouts with powerful filtering options. Visitors can easily filter events by categories, tags, venues, organizers, dates, and more. Now let's create our first layout. After installing and activating the Eventful plugin, you will see a new Eventful menu in the WordPress admin dashboard. Click on Eventful. Here you will see a list of all your created layouts. Each layout generates a shortcode that you can use anywhere on your website. To create a new layout, click on Add New Layout. This will open the Eventful Layout Builder. At the top of the page, you will see a Live Preview area, which appears after clicking the Show Preview button. This preview shows how your layout will look on the front end. Below that, you will see the Layout Presets section. Here, you can choose your desired layout style. For example, you can choose Carousel, Grid, Minimal List, Ticker, Center Carousel, Multi-Row Carousel, Masonry, or List Layout. Once you select a layout, the settings panel below will automatically adjust based on that layout. Now let's look at the Filter Events tab. This section allows you to control which events will appear in the layout. The Filter Events option allows you to display events by latest, featured, or specific criteria. You can choose which events to display: upcoming, past, or all events. You can also control order by event start date, ascending or descending order, limit the number of events displayed. You can also enable SEO schema markup for better search engine visibility. At the bottom, you will see the filtering options. Here, you can enable keyword search and advanced filtering features. Keyword search allows visitors to quickly find events by typing keywords such as event names, locations, or related topics. These filters help users easily narrow down events based on their preferences. You can also customize how the filters appear by enabling show and hide options, which helps keep the interface clean and user-friendly. With these flexible filtering controls, you can create a better browsing experience and a more organized event listing for your visitors. Next, open the Display Options tab. This section controls how your events appear visually. Inside Template Styles, you can choose between custom layout styling or pre-made templates. Pre-made templates provide ready-to-use professional designs that allow you to quickly create beautiful event layouts without adjusting many settings. You can select the template style that best fits your needs. There are different templates available for different layout variations. On the other hand, the Custom option gives you full control over how each event element appears in the layout. This is useful when you want to match the event display with your branding or design style. Below this, you will see the Content Fields section. Here, you can control which event elements appear in the layout and how they are displayed. For example, you can customize Event Thumbnail, control the image size, border, zoom effects, lazy loading, and image styling. Event Title, adjust how the event title appears and style it to match your design. Event Meta Fields, show information such as event date, time, venue, or organizer. Event Content, display a short event description or excerpt. Event Social Share, enable social sharing buttons so visitors can easily share events. Custom Fields, display additional event information added through the Events Calendar plugin. You can also reorder these elements using drag and drop, allowing you to control the exact structure of your event layout. This flexible system lets you experiment with different combinations and instantly preview how the layout looks on the front end. If you selected a carousel layout, you will see the Carousel Controls tab. Here, you can configure how the carousel behaves. You can control options such as slide to scroll, autoplay speed, carousel animation speed, pause on hover, infinite loop, lazy loading for images. You can also customize navigation arrows and pagination indicators. This allows you to create smooth and responsive event sliders. Next, for layouts like grid or list, pagination settings are available. You can enable pagination and choose between options such as Load More button, Ajax number pagination, infinite scroll, or normal pagination. You can also customize the Load More button label, colors, and alignment. Next is the Detail Page Settings tab. This section controls how users view event details. You can choose whether the event link will open a single event page or a pop-up window. If you select pop-up, you can customize which elements appear inside the pop-up. For example, event image, event title, event metadata, event content, social share options. You can also customize pop-up colors and layout settings. Now, open the Typography tab. This section allows you to customize the typography for different elements. You can adjust settings for event titles, meta information, event content, and read more buttons. You can control font family, font size, line height, alignment, and colors. This helps you match the event layout with your website design. Publishing the layout. Once your layout looks good, click Publish. After publishing, the plugin will generate a shortcode. Copy this shortcode. Then open any page, post, or widget area where you want to display your events. Paste the shortcode there. Now update the page. When you visit the page on the front end, the event layout will appear automatically. Now let's briefly look at the Eventful Settings page. Inside the Settings section, you will see several tabs. The License tab allows you to activate your Eventful Pro license key. The Color Scheme tab allows you to control global color settings for buttons, pagination, filters, and pop-ups. This means you can define your brand colors once and apply them automatically across all Eventful layouts. It saves time, keeps your event displays visually consistent, and eliminates the need to customize colors individually for every layout. Next, the Custom CSS and JS tab allows you to add custom styles or scripts if you want additional customization. The Accessibility tab contains options that improve navigation for keyboard and screen reader users. The Advanced tab allows you to manage internal plugin scripts and optimization settings. You usually do not need to change these unless you want advanced control. Next, open the Tools page. Here, you will find options to export or import Eventful layouts. This is helpful if you want to move layouts between websites or create backups of your configurations. And that's a quick overview of the Eventful Pro plugin. With Eventful, you can easily create beautiful event displays using modern layouts like carousel, grid, masonry, ticker, and list layouts. You can also enable powerful filtering, customize design elements, and control how visitors interact with your events, all without writing any code. Thank you for watching.